Welcome to the realm of nutritional mastery, where the ketogenic diet reigns supreme. Imagine a world where fats aren't the enemy, but rather an ally in your journey to optimal health. This is the premise at the heart of the ketogenic diet. A world where healthy fats are celebrated, proteins are consumed in moderation, and carbohydrates are drastically limited. Now, picture a guide, a beacon of light to illuminate the path on this dietary odyssey. That's what you find in the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. This meticulously crafted guide serves as your culinary compass, leading you through the intricate pathways of the ketogenic lifestyle. It's not just a diet plan, it's a lifestyle guide, a map to a healthier, happier you. In this realm, fats are not feared but revered. They provide the bulk of your energy, helping you feel satiated and fueling your body's essential functions. Proteins are not neglected but appreciated. Consumed in moderation, they support muscle growth and repair without overtaxing your kidneys. And carbohydrates, those energy-dense culprits of weight gain and blood sugar spikes, are kept to a minimum. The ketogenic diet is a paradigm shift, a complete reimagining of what a healthy diet looks like. It's not about deprivation or starvation, but about balance and satisfaction. It's about understanding the roles different nutrients play in our overall health and harnessing that knowledge to our advantage. But the ketogenic diet isn't just about weight loss. Yes, it can help you shed those stubborn pounds, but it's so much more than that. It's about taking control of your health from the inside out. It's about reducing inflammation, improving brain function, and boosting your energy levels. It's about living your best life, fueled by the best nutrition. So, prepare to embark on a journey of discovery, a voyage into the realm of nutritional mastery. With the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan as your guide, you're about to experience the power of the ketogenic diet firsthand. The ketogenic diet isn't just about weight loss, it's about transforming your health and wellness from the inside out. But there's more to wellness than just diet. Have you ever considered the healing power of nature? The significance of natural remedies cannot be overstated. For centuries, they have been the bedrock of healing practices across diverse cultures. These remedies, gifted to us by Mother Nature herself, are steeped in a rich history and backed by generations of traditional wisdom. Imagine for a moment the allure of an ancient herb garden. The air is tinged with the scent of rosemary, sage, and thyme, each possessing unique healing properties. Rosemary for memory enhancement, sage for its anti-inflammatory benefits, and thyme for its potent antimicrobial activity. These are but a few of the treasures hidden in the verdant folds of nature. Now consider the captivating world of essential oils: lavender to calm your senses, peppermint to invigorate your spirit, and eucalyptus to support respiratory health. These oils, distilled from plants, carry the essence of nature's healing power, serving not just as aromatic delights, but as potent remedies. And let's not forget the holistic therapies that have shaped the world of wellness. Acupuncture, Reiki, and yoga, practices that harmonize the mind, body, and spirit, providing balance and vitality in our fast-paced lives. The ketogenic diet, while a powerful tool for nutritional wellness, is just one part of the equation. Natural remedies can complement this diet, offering benefits far beyond nutrition. They can soothe the spirit, invigorate the senses, and bring balance to your life. They can enhance the effects of the ketogenic diet, creating a synergy that promotes holistic wellness. But remember, it's not just about harnessing these natural remedies. It's about understanding them, appreciating their roots, and integrating them into our lives in a way that respects their ancient lineage. Natural remedies are not just about healing the body, but about achieving holistic wellness. They allow us to tap into the profound wisdom of nature, guiding us towards a life of balance, vitality, and harmony. So, as you embark on your journey with the ketogenic diet, let's also explore the enchanting world of natural remedies. Let's not just transform our diets, let's transform our lives. What if you could combine the power of the ketogenic diet with the healing properties of natural remedies? Well, that's the beauty of this journey towards holistic wellness. Keto is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle that champions healthy fats and low carbs. It's about taking control of your body and feeling empowered by the choices you make. But what if we could take it a step further? Imagine coupling that with the time-honored wisdom of natural remedies. Herbs that soothe the spirit, essential oils that invigorate the senses, holistic practices that bring balance. These are not just remedies, they're gifts from nature that have been cherished through generations. When you blend the power of keto with the healing properties of nature, you create a symphony of wellness that resonates through every aspect of your life. It's not just about nourishing your body. It's about harnessing the wisdom and bounty of nature. Don't just transform your diet, transform your entire life. Let the journey of holistic wellness begin.